two, one, two.
Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The words to where they came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My lies are collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side.
Chorus. One, two, ready, chorus.
I'm broken to a million pieces and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. This guy's a part of me, darkness and harmony. Most words without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why do they cover up the colors stuck inside our head? I should have let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. The song we could write, this is what it sounds like.
One, two, verse, go.
We're shouting in the silence, we're rising, we're fighting, shouting in the quiet. You're not alone. We can listen to the demons, we like get to demons. But none of us are out here on our own. So we were cowards, so we were liars, so we're not heroes. We're so survivors, the dreamers, the hiders. Nobody got tired, but died in the fire, and I'll be right here by your side.
One, two, chorus, everyone.
We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. It's not a part of me, not just harmony. One words without the lies, this is what it sounds like. But every cover up the colors stuck inside our head. Get up and let the jagged edges take the light inside. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undivided, this is what it sounds like. 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 This is what it sounds like.
All right, chorus.
broken.
One, two, last chorus.
We broke into a million pieces and we